Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create lists and where to find them on Netflix. So it's a very useful tool when you're trying to watch a series and you want to switch between and find them real fast, but you don't want to keep scrolling or searching for them, etc. etc. So when you open, first of all, you can have them on the suggestions right here. Also, uh, can gonna, I didn't like this at all. No. The animation was awful. Anyway, I'm just gonna add it to my list just to show you. And if you want to add something else, for example, like this, okay, it's most like you just need to click on my list where it pops out here. And then, if you want to see your list, just go to your profile here, select my lists, and there you go. You can find them all over here. And that's it. Hope this helped. If you did, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.